morning to one and all. I am Dr. M. Shuganti, Assistant Professor in Department of Information Technology in Konganadu College of Engineering and Technology, Tottiyam, Trichy. Today we are going to see about the basics of principles of distributed systems, how the peer-to-peer system connected. Let us see. These are the peer-to-peer services in the Unit 3 topics: Introduction, Napster and its legacy, peer-to-peer, middleware, routing overlay, and one topic case study, tapestry, digital signatures, and distributed debugging. First of all, we have to know what is meant by peer-to-peer system. It's nothing but it is represented by P2P. All nodes are equal. We have to treat all the nodes are equal. That is a one way of sharing of resources in a peer-to-peer systems. Peer-to-peer means is a type of architecture in which nodes are interconnected with each other and share resources with each other without the central controlling services. What is my distributed system means the central system is a controlling part. Here the peer-to-peer system is without the operation of central controlling servers, and the main objective is to balance network traffic and reduce the load on the primary host. We have to, why we are going for a peer-to-peer P2P system means we have to balance the network traffic. In a network, they may have a traffic, so we have to maintain that. P2P system allows us to construct such a distributed system or application in which all resources and data is contributed by the host over the network. Their operations does not depend on the existence of any centrally administrated systems. For example, BitTorrent or Skype. These are the examples of peer-to-peer applications which is used for digital content distribution. This is a normal basic existing server based network. We have to connect all the network to the central system. That is, the central system is act as a server, and or any other resources we want means we have to take all the resources from the central system. Central system is a controlling part of this server based network. What is my peer-to-peer network means each and every node have the connection with all other nodes present in that network. These are the features of peer-to-peer network. First one, the ability to provide a large combined storage, CPU power and other resources while imposing a low cost for scalability and for entry into and exit from the network. And the second point is the ongoing entry and exit of various nodes as well as dynamic insertion and deletion of objects in P2P network is called churn. There are two types of peer-to-peer networks that may be followed: a structure of formation of network or unstructured formation of network. Before that, peer-to-peer network, we have to know the what is meant by overlay network. Overlay network is constructed over another network. For example, connecting internet over telephone lines in an overlay network is an example for overlay network. These are the standard characteristics of peer-to-peer computing in a distributed systems. While we are going for a peer-to-peer network are usually formed by group of computers. We already know the structure. The group of networks are connected and sharing of resources within that network, and each and every node present in that network have the connection with all other networks. The nodes in peer-to-peer network both use resources and provide resources. and they have to provide the nodes in peer-to-peer network act as both client as well as the service. Each and every node act as a client as well as the server while going for a resource sharing. Efficient usage of the resources. They are self-organizing nature and distributed control, symmetric in organization, anoto- anonymity, the efficient management of chance, and naming mechanisms and security. It is more secure and authentication trust while we are storing their resources in that memory as well as the shareage of the resources. These are the characteristics of peer-to-peer computing. Thank you.